Hey guys, so it's Aiden and I today. Say hey, Aiden. So Aiden has been asking to make crispy tofu and ramen, so that's what we're gonna make. Right now, Alex is asleep, so this is the perfect opportunity for us to cook together, right? So I already pressed out our tofu to get the water out. So Aiden decided he just wanted some tofu. He has some green beans, mushroom, and scallions. Um, so we're going to cut up our veggies. I have some ramen that we're going to make. Aiden is going to make a black pepper tofu and then make some ramen. So let's get to it. So, all right. So I already spoke with Aiden about his placement of his finger, just making sure to look out for his finger when he's cutting. Okay, so he's going to cut up his tofu the way he likes, and then I'm going to cut mine over here. So you have a big enough plate, Aiden, that once you cut yours, you can kind of just move your stuff to the side.
Okay.
Alright. I'm cutting mine in triangles. I have more because I'm also cooking for Alex. When she wakes up, she has food to eat. Alright, so I cut my tofu. And what I'm going to do with my green beans, Aiden, I'm going to kind of cut my green beans into thirds. Okay? You can cut yours. Once you move your tofu over to the side, that way you have the space in the middle to chop your stuff.
Okay.
So just take a few of those, or you can cut yours individually. And see, I cut mine into thirds. You can cut yours into half, or I'm just cutting mine into 3 pieces. That's what I'm going to do.
Wait, what are we doing first?
I'm doing the green beans now. So I was just showing you how I was cutting mine into thirds.
Okay.
Okay?
Well, that is pretty loud.
Yeah. That's why I didn't give you the glass one, because I didn't want yours making much noise. So maybe you should cut yours one by one.
Okay.
Because your knife isn't as sharp as mine.
Yeah.
Right? And remember to watch your finger.
Okay.
Or yours is snap too. You can even snap yours. Look. You can just snap yours too.
Okay.
Like that. If you find that cutting yours, since your knife isn't as sharp, there you go.
Well, the bean can't.
Huh? It's okay.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, you can just snap it. Okay. I think maybe you should continue to snap yours.
Yeah.
Because your knife isn't as sharp, and I don't want you, even though it's not that sharp, if you're trying to force it, you can still get hurt, okay?
Okay.
Where you want it to snap is where you place your finger, and it'll easily snap.
Okay.
So do you want your tofu crispy?
Yes.
Alright. So one trick that I like to use to make my tofu crispy is adding cornstarch.
Ooh.
Yeah, I add a little bit of that, and that makes the outside really crispy.
Okay.
Crispy on the outside.
Okay. Which...
And we're not going to have to add a lot of salt because we're using soy sauce, and soy sauce is already salty.
Oh, okay.
Alright?
Oh, yeah.
The sauce that you're going to make is what's going to make that flavor. Alright, I think I got all my green beans cut.
No, I'm not done cutting my green beans because I have like 1,000 green beans.
You think you have more green beans than me?
Yeah.
Look at how much green beans I have.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
It's like 99.
But I have my knife, so.
Yeah, that's 99 green beans. But
Yes, I'm gonna go with my mushroom.
if you want more green beans, you gotta just cut them in half.
I'm gonna keep my
So I'm gonna have like a lot of green beans. If I just
You
keep.
said you only wanted one mushroom.
Well, I guess I want some more mushrooms.
Think you want another one?
Yeah. I'm getting a lot of green beans. I'm chopping them all up. I want green beans because I'm chopping them up.
Now I'm chopping up my green onions.
I'm just gonna not cut all these green beans because I was like 1,000 green beans. That was a lot of green beans.
What's your favorite meal to eat?
I'm gonna say maybe sushi.
I know you love sushi.
Yeah.
You remember that one time we made sushi? Yeah, a long time ago.
Yeah, I'm gonna make some more sushi.
You wanna make some more?
Yeah.
We can make some more sushi one day.
Yeah. I'm just gonna start turbo.
I do love eating sushi too. You love sushi because mommy ate a lot of sushi.
Yeah.
Yeah. I couldn't eat raw sushi though when I was pregnant, but I still have sushi. I'm putting onions in mine. I know you didn't want onions, but I love onions. And red onions, so good. So, I already got our water boiling, so that way we don't have to wait on that.
Yeah.
But,
Okay, do you think this green bean has any beans in it?
no, but it's very like flimsy at the end.
Yeah, I'm thirsty. There, I got rid of my green beans. Done. What else do I cut? Did I cut this now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Push your green beans up, out the way. You can push it, yeah, push it over by the
Yeah, I'm going to do that. That's a lot of green beans because I just started snapping.
So with that, just make sure you wash the placement of your hand. You can do it how skinny or
I gotta move these mushrooms.
however skinny or big you want it. There you go.
That's my technique because I now have a lot of those.
So while you're doing that, I also had, the other day I made some, I had a bag of jalapenos, so I have jalapenos and garlic here, and they are in a soy sauce, rice vinegar concoction, and these will last in the refrigerator for like 6 months. But first I let them sit in the refrigerator for a week before eating them, and they taste so good. I top them on anything, you can put them on eggs, add them to whatever little dish that you like for some extra spice. So I'm going to be making a sauce, a dipping sauce, even though Aiden's going to do a black pepper. Oh, it is, it's the onion?
Yeah.
You don't have to cut that part.
Oh,
So I'm going to be doing a sauce that we saw. You remember the sauce that we saw in the video?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it has lime juice. You don't have to cut that part, baby.
Why?
It has, you usually don't eat that part. It has lime juice, jalapenos, garlic, honey, and sesame seed oil, and it's a nice dipping oil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut up some of these jalapenos that I had already in the soy sauce.
Now my eyes are watering because of that.
Alright, cut up your mushrooms.
Okay. I want to watch how you do it.
Oh, I already cut my mushrooms.
Oh.
Wash your finger, take your time. There you go. I just cut mine into 4.
That was really loud.
Getting the mushrooms out. I got garlic at the bottom.
do that because that's gross. God. My technique is to just force it, to push it in.
That's your technique?
Yeah. I'm cutting my mushrooms in half so I can have a lot of mushrooms.
Okay. You want small pieces?
Yeah. Well, I basically just want to have a lot of mushrooms. So, I'm just cutting all of them.
Okay, makes sense.
Yeah, because I do love to eat mushrooms.
I know. I love mushrooms.
Okay, well, that gives me more pieces.
Alright, be careful. You think Alice's gonna be mad when she wakes up and find out we cooked? Without her?
Yeah. I think she's gonna be mad.
Yeah. But every now and then it's good for you and I to have time together, right?
Yeah.
And plus, there probably would have been some fighting.
Yeah. Because there would have been like a lot of fighting.
Well, we have some bananas over there. Tomorrow we can make banana bread and she can help with that.
Yeah. Everything on my plate is gonna go for all the foods. That's everything on my plate.
Alright, let me get a bowl.
Oh, no. This guy can say some. The pieces. Some.
Alright, you cut up everything?
Now what else do I do?
Alright, what I'll let you do, you can put your knife down.
But I'm gonna cut a little more stuff. I'm gonna cut this.
You can use the lime for mine.
Okay.
For our sauce.
I just got to
And
get
then after we
the cutting. I'm gonna learn how to cut.
Be careful, please.
So what do I do to the limes?
You want the juice down?
All with this thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure. Put it on the holders with my hand. Kind of squeeze it. Take your time, take your time. Be careful because if you make this, that'll fall over and all the juice will come out. Squeeze it until there's nothing left in that. Okay? So we're gonna use, let me see, I wrote down what we need. We need 1 tablespoon of honey.
What? That's good. I want to empty this lemon so I can have lemon juice.
1 tablespoon of water.
What? I want this thing to be full.
1 tablespoon of
This
honey.
has like a lot of water. I mean,
Is it?
lemon juice.
Does it look it up? Does it like still have juice? I think that one's good. Let's go to the next one.
Okay.
Honey.
I'm gonna put it on the plate.
1/3 soy sauce this minute.
Go, bud. I know a technique. Just squish it.
Be careful, but you want to hold this because if that falls over, then all that liquid you just squeeze. Come on. We do 1/3 soy sauce. And then we need sesame seed oil. Say 1 teaspoon. So. Do that. And then our lime juice. No. Hey.
I'm trying to smell.
Once you do that, that'll be our sauce. Then we can.
But I'm better. This doesn't juice out. I'm gonna keep spinning until there's no
That was
juice. Yep, I'm good. This guy looks juiced out. He's juiced out. He's still juiced in.
I'm ingredients stuff that you're gonna need to. Well, first you gotta fry the tofu.
That's a lot of juice. I want to drink some of that.
Alright, we'll be back when we're frying. How long is that? Alright, Aiden.
Yes.
You have a Ziploc bag. I'm going to add a little bit of cornstarch. And remember, this is what's going to help your tofu have a little crisp to it, okay?
Okay, well, it doesn't look like starch.
Alright, put only your tofu in there and then you shake it up, okay?
Yeet. Yeet.
And remember, the tofu is going to, we already put salt on it to help draw out the water, and then the flavor is going to come from the sauce. So we don't have to worry about it right now.
Okay. I'm trying to get all
and right
the
now I have our oil heating up.
Can I eat all my tofu into the bag?
Yeah, put all your tofu in the bag. Just the tofu, just the tofu.
Okay. Can I just do that?
Now, and then zip it, and then shake it up. Don't shake it too crazy, because remember the tofu, even though we have firm, it's still soft, and we don't want it to crumble up, okay?
Okay.
So then, what I'm doing, I'm just kind of tossing it back and forth. Not going crazy. Okay?
Is this what you're doing?
Yeah. And you can kind of turn it back around. Well, you're holding all of the powder. All your powder's down here. And you don't have to be fully coated. Just enough that we know. Move our sauce over here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get you a paper plate. That way you can put your tofu in there. That way you can easily put it in there. Well, let's stay focused on what we're doing, okay?
Okay.
So what I want you to do is, one at a time, take your tofu out and kind of just shake it out a little bit when you lift it up. Look, just kind of pick one, kind of shake it a little bit in the back, and then lay it flat. If it has any loose. That way you can just put yours from the plate on there, rather than trying to dig in the bag and everything gets super messy, okay?
Is it all my hand?
It's okay. That's good, you didn't have a little bit wet. And when you're done with that, then we can go in and start frying it up, okay?
Okay.
Aiden? There you go, good job. So he's frying his tofu. Take your time. Good. Very good. We don't want to drop it and things will splash. And that's what we do first.
This is scary. This is the scariest thing I ever did in my life.
Now you want to get those other pieces because you want them to cook at the same time. Let those brown on that side.
I'm just gonna put the little pieces in. Just a
Mine is cooking really fast because this is my this eye gets really hot. It's better for boiling water. So I'm gonna have to turn mine a little quicker, probably quicker than yours. You want to rinse your hand off over here, buddy? Rinse your hand off. Alright, so what? Alright, Aiden, come here, baby. Alright, what you need to do is stay in the check first. Alright, you are just doing good because I have to turn yours up a little bit. So mine is cooking quicker.
I want mine to cook quicker.
I turned yours up, but I didn't want yours too high.
Hi.
Let's pause that.
Hi, low.
Be careful, don't play around the stove, baby.
Do I just add everything?
Yeah, right now Aiden is transferring his cut veggies onto his plate, just so that's ready. And then once he does that, then he's going to check on his tofu, turn that over.
Well, I'm going to need another plate for my tofu because this is a lot.
Oh, yeah, you know what It's okay. We got another plate.
Yeah.
Alright, come on. I think it's time to turn your tofu over. Alright, we can leave that there for right now.
All the other pieces done.
Alright, come on, bud. Alright, did you see how mommy was checking hers? So get your fork. I'm going to do one for you, okay? Like this one is kind of touching that one. Well, let's do this one. You want to get underneath it. And flip it over, okay?
Okay.
That one, try it.
My face is burning.
Do you want me to do it?
Yeah. My face is burned from all the heat. It's like hot air. All this hot air is just going into my
In your face?
Yeah.
It's like a facial.
Yeah. Like when you're warming your face up. And I can see the
Alright, be
base.
careful, but I don't want you to get too close to the oil, okay?
Yeah, I can see some. I can
already feel it's crunchy at the top. I'm gonna let that cook for a little bit.
I can see the goo of Chaos Agent's face, and I can see the blood of Chaos Agent too.
Alright, let's not get all crazy talk.
Oh yeah. But that just looks like oil for some reason.
Oh, that's the soy sauce and then the oyster sauce for you. After we remove our tofu, that's where you're gonna cook it. Yeah. Okay. Be careful. Come here.
Okay. That's pretty.
You see how that's crunchy? That's what we want. I'm gonna get a paper plate. Alright. I want you to stand because you're kind of playing around, and I don't want you playing. Don't play near the stove where there's hot oil. You can be playing 1 minute and then the next minute you're hurt, okay? So I got you a paper plate for when we're transferring our tofu.
Mommy, do you think this is gonna save?
I'm gonna take mine out using my tongue. I have this on the lowest setting, but this I cook really hot. There. Alright, Aiden, yours is ready to transfer. I'm going to take yours off the ice for you.
Yeah, I just want to eat already.
Almost done. Take a little bit of oil from Aiden's. Alright, buddy, come here. Bring your veggies. Turning that left down to medium. Hold on a second. Okay, so now you have your veggies. Grab your veggies. Remember, this oil is still a little bit hot, so take your time. Gently put it in there, okay? I'll hold this for you. Or you want to grab a handful, or you can shake it in there gently. Okay, not one at a time. We want to get it in there. And I'm going to shake it in there.
Okay, I didn't know because I didn't want to make a mistake.
Alright, and here's your spoon. Gently stir it around. That kind of consistency.
Hot air is just coming in my face.
Yeah, just kind of going in there for the both of us because it started popping. So what I'm going to do here, Aiden, I still want you to pay attention, baby. I have some soy sauce and I'm going to add soy sauce to yours, okay? I already added a little bit of water. And then I have oyster sauce. And this would calm down that oil from splashing, okay? I want you to back up to mine over there and start splashing. So I have to add mine. Soy sauce over here. I'm not measuring mine. I have some leftover oyster sauce in this one. I'm going to use everything that I have. Alright, do this part. The pepper. Okay? Put your spoon down. You can step up to it, it's not going to pop it. And then hold it.
Press the top?
Yeah, hold it with this hand and then press that. I think that's good. That's enough. Alright, then stir yours up with a spoon. It should be good. It shouldn't get popped, okay? It was that oil when everything first hit it. Some of the veggies had water on it. I know. And the oyster sauce and the soy sauce have a lot of flavor, so well, you want to kind of move your veggies around. You see how mommy's doing? There you go. Alright, back here we have our water boiling. It's time to start our noodles. So look what we have here. Ooh, chow mein noodles, hot chili. what you can do is you can put your tofu in there, and since we put that cornstarch on the tofu, that's going to help thicken up your broth. So you can grab one of your tofu and gently just put it in there. You should be able to hold it up with your hand, buddy. You should be able to pick up tofu up with your hand. You should be able to pick it up with your hand and just put it in there.
Do I put it in here?
Yes.
Do I put all of them?
Yeah. What did you touch?
I didn't touch anything. I just touched the pot.
Well, that's what you touched then. Are you okay?
Yeah. It hurts a little bit.
Yeah, you gotta be careful. You don't have to cook the green beans too long because they have a good crunch to it, and we love our crunchy green beans.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? We forgot to put in our sauce some of the fresh ginger. I'm going to add some of that to this. Where's ginger at? Mine is thickening up already. So I can add a little bit of water. See how it started thickening up, Aiden? Once I added that in there.
Yeah. That's mine.
Well, look, yours is still kind of salty. Mine's starting to thicken up. You can turn it off. Push it back here. I'm going to add a little bit of ginger. You want some ginger in yours?
Yeah.
Alright. That looks. Put it back here. I can move this to the front. You don't like soggy noodles?
What is soggy?
And it's like, I like when they're al dente.
I like wet.
Sauce. We're gonna plate this and we'll be back. Ready to go. So we cleaned up. Now he has his noodles here. So he is serving himself. Ooh. Take your time. Put whatever you want in there. You don't have to put everything.
I'm trying to get this. I can't do it.
There we go. You want some mushrooms and some of those green onions?
I can't see any of this.
You cut yours up so small.
Yeah. That's why I can't really see them that much.
Alright, you think that's enough for this serving?
Yeah, I'll look for more.
Alright. Let me give you some of the sauce. I'll help you out there.
I need that one.
You want that one?
Yeah.
You should be able to pick it up.
Okay, I got it.
Ooh. I'll put that to the back. Alright, hold your bowl.
Okay.
Oh, you want some sesame seeds?
Yeah.
Give yourself some sesame seeds. Just shake, shake. There we go.
I don't want that much.
That's good?
Like,
Alright, let me see your bowl. Hold your bowl. Chef Aiden. Kind of tilt it towards me so I can see. Trying to use your chopsticks, Aiden?
yeah, but I can't.
It's easier with sushi, huh? How does the sauce taste? Good?